It is January 11th here in Central North Carolina, and I am sitting next to the window because I want to show you guys the snow that we got last night. We don't get snow here very often in Central North Carolina. So today's video is going to be indoors, and I want to show you how Keith and I get organized with our seeds and the seeds that we ordered this year to get our garden started. So let's get into it. So one of the first things that Keith and I actually do with all of our seeds is we'll create a list. The list will actually be all the seeds that we actually want to grow for this growing season. With this list, we will cross-check with the seeds that we actually already have in inventory, and we'll go ahead and clean out the seeds that, one, we don't want to grow anymore, or two, seeds that are really, really old. And then once we're listing all of those seeds, we'll actually indicate the seeds that we might need to go ahead and actually order for the season. We've gone ahead and ordered from several different seed companies in the past. We've even saved a lot of our own seeds. So we do have a large inventory of seeds this year. We really didn't have to order a lot of seeds. But for the seeds that we did go ahead and ordered, we actually used two different companies this year. We ended up going with True Leaf for our onions. I don't have the packet of onions right here. The onions are already in the ground. We ordered those earlier. And then we went ahead and ordered some microgreens from them. This is a 1 pound bag of microgreens. And then we actually went with tomato growers for our other seeds. What I really liked about the tomato growers this year is not only did we get a bunch of seeds, we also got some free seeds. They gave us 3 bonus packets. Hey guys, it's Lori from HomeRight. If you want to follow along with us in our backyard garden journey this year, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and click that notification button. Most of our seeds have been ordered, but I do know I will probably have to fill in the blanks with a couple more things, but they might be just easy ones to go out to the big box stores just to fill. But all those specialty ones that we want to grow this year have been ordered. But I know me, I'll probably still get more. Now that we've received some of the seeds, I can actually start planting. The first seeds that I'm going to start with in January is peppers, lettuce, and herbs. I might even actually start eggplant. I do not need to start any brassicas because I already have some brassicas in the greenhouse. I've already started the onions. Hopefully they will survive with this cold winter weather. And I also have a little bit of root vegetables. I've started some beets and carrots in the greenhouse. So I'm not focusing on those right now. It's just going to be the peppers, the lettuce, the herbs, maybe even eggplant. So that will be the next video coming soon. Of the new seeds, there's a couple special ones that Keith and I are really interested in. One is this Red Impact Hybrid pepper. This is very similar to our Marconi pepper that we've done, but supposedly has better disease resistance. Also, this Siletz tomato that also can be started much earlier during cool seasons. I'm really excited about that one. And of course, Sun Gold has always been on my list for a cherry tomato, so I'm super excited about starting that one. And the last two are the Early Prince Hybrid and the Crispy Crunch Hybrid. Part of the reason why we're interested in these is they have the ability to set fruit without pollination. So we sometimes have had trouble with cucumbers. So we're really looking forward to these new specialty ones in the garden. So this is how we've gotten organized this year with all of our seeds. So now you get an idea of how Keith and I go ahead and prep our seeds for the growing season. Every year we have our favorites. There's no question about that. So if you have suggestions on your new favorites, leave them down below in the suggestions to give us some new ideas on what plants to grow. So thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next video.